The best episodes of Samurai Champloo. Number 26 Cosmic Collisions. Number 25 The Disorder Diaries. Number 24 Stranger Searching. Number 23 Unholy Union. Number 22 The Art of Altercation. Number 21 Lullabies of the Lost, Verse 1. Number 20 Elegy of Entrapment, Verse 1. Number 19 Baseball Blues. Number 18 Redeye Reprisal. Number 17 A Risky Racket. Number 16 Evanescent Encounter, Part 1. Number 15 Lullabies of the Lost, Verse 2. Number 14 Hellhounds for Hire, Part 2. Number 13 Artistic Anarchy. Number 12 Misguided Miscreants, Part 1. Number 11 Evanescent Encounter, Part 2. Number 10 War of the Worlds. Number 09 Beatbox Bandits. Number 08 Tempestuous Temperaments. Number 07 Hellhounds for Hire, Part 1. Number 06 Lethal Lunacy. Number 05 Bogus Booty. Number 04 Elegy of Entrapment, Verse 2. Number 03 Misguided Miscreants, Part 2. Number 02 Gamblers and Gallantry. Number 01 Evanescent Encounter, Part 3.